Hello everyone, and welcome back to IT Career Connect channel. Today, we are tackling one of the biggest and most talked about questions in the tech world right now. Will AI really take all our IT jobs? It's a question causing a lot of anxiety, especially here in India with our massive tech workforce. So, let's dive deep and separate the hype from the reality. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll have a much clearer picture of what the future holds. Everywhere you look, from news headlines to social media, we are seeing stories about AI's rapid advancements. Phrases like AI will replace jobs or robots are coming for your career are becoming commonplace. And honestly, it's natural to feel a bit apprehensive about what this means for your livelihood and future, especially in the dynamic Indian IT sector. But here at your channel name, our goal is to empower you. Today, we are going to cut through the sensationalism, give you the facts, and show you how to truly navigate this evolving landscape. Let's start with the biggest fear, myth number 1, AI will eliminate all IT jobs and lead to mass unemployment. This is the idea that as machines get smarter, faster, and cheaper, there will simply be no need for human IT professionals. The thought is, why would companies hire you when a sophisticated AI can do the work quicker and without a salary? Everywhere you look, from news headlines to social media, we are seeing stories about AI's rapid advancements. Phrases like AI will replace jobs or robots are coming for your career are becoming commonplace. And honestly, it's natural to feel a bit apprehensive about what this means for your livelihood and future, especially in the dynamic Indian IT sector. But here at your channel name, our goal is to empower you. Today, we are going to cut through the sensationalism, give you the facts, and show you how to truly navigate this evolving landscape. Moving on to myth number 2, AI won't create enough new jobs to offset the ones it displaces. This is that pessimistic view that we are headed towards a net loss of jobs, a one-way street to fewer opportunities overall. It suggests that any new roles created by AI will be minimal compared to the ones it makes redundant. But the reality, fact number 2, is that AI is actually a significant job creator. We are already seeing a surge in demand for entirely new, specialized roles that didn't even exist a few years ago. Think about AI and machine learning engineers, prompt engineers. Yes, that's a real and in-demand role now. AI ethicists, specialized data scientists and data engineers, and cloud AI specialists or AI solution architects. Reports like those from Bain & Company even project millions of new AI-related job opportunities in India alone by 2027. It's a clear indicator that the ecosystem around AI is expanding rapidly, creating entirely new career paths. Here's myth number 3, AI is only for big tech companies with massive budgets. This perception often makes IT professionals in smaller firms or aspiring entrepreneurs feel left out. It suggests that only giants like Google or Microsoft can afford to experiment with and implement cutting-edge AI, leaving little room for anyone else. Contrary to that belief, fact number 3 is that AI tools are becoming incredibly accessible and affordable for everyone. Cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud offer managed AI and machine learning services, which dramatically reduce infrastructure costs. You don't need a huge server farm anymore. Plus, open-source tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch, and even many open-source large language models, are democratizing AI development. Many AI functionalities are also available via pre-built APIs, making integration simple even for smaller businesses and startups. This is a huge opportunity, especially for the MSME sector in India, which employs a large workforce and can now leverage AI to boost their productivity and competitiveness. Now, This is a big one that often causes a lot of anxiety. Myth number 4. My traditional IT skills will become useless in the AI era. If you've spent years honing your skills in Java, .NET, software testing, or basic development, the thought that all that experience might suddenly be worthless can be daunting. It's a natural fear to feel your expertise is becoming obsolete. But let me reassure you with fact number 4, your core IT skills are a fantastic foundation. Reskilling and upskilling are paramount, but your base is strong. Think of AI tools as something that augment your capabilities, rather than replacing you. For instance, a developer using an AI coding assistant still needs strong logic, problem-solving skills, and the ability to debug and critically evaluate the AI's output. The future truly favors professionals with a hybrid skill set, a blend of your existing technical expertise and AI literacy. So, focus on developing skills like prompt engineering, understanding AI models, strong data analysis and interpretation, problem-solving and critical thinking, and most importantly, adaptability and lifelong learning. These are your true AI-proof superpowers. Let's bring this closer to home and look at the Indian context, a truly unique position in this global shift. We boast a massive IT talent pool and a dynamic, young population eager to learn. AI is poised to significantly contribute to India's GDP, opening up immense growth potential. However, there's also a challenge, a significant skill gap. Recent reports indicate that only about 1 in 5 Indian youth are currently AI skilled. This highlights the urgency of widespread reskilling and upskilling. Both companies and government initiatives, like the AI for All program under the Skill India Digital Hub, are actively pushing for massive talent development to meet this demand. So, to conclude, embrace the change, don't fear it. Remember, AI is a powerful tool designed to assist and enhance, not to replace human ingenuity entirely. It represents a significant shift in the IT industry, not a complete wipeout of jobs. Your adaptability and your willingness to continuously learn new skills are going to be your biggest assets in this evolving landscape. Focus on those uniquely human, AI-proof skills, creativity, critical thinking, empathy, and strategic planning. These are what will set you apart. Now, how do you practically prepare? Here are your immediate next steps. First, identify the in-demand AI skills relevant to your domain. Research roles like prompt engineer, MLOps, or AI ethicist. Second, start learning. Whether it's online courses on platforms like Coursera or Udemy, diving into documentation, or building small personal projects. Third, integrate AI tools into your current workflow. Try out GitHub Copilot, experiment with ChatGPT or Google Gemini in your daily tasks. Fourth, network. Connect with AI professionals, join communities, and learn from their experiences. And finally, stay informed. Keep an eye on industry trends and reports. Your proactive approach today will define your success tomorrow. All right, that wraps up our discussion on AI and IT jobs. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What are your takes on AI's impact on your career? What specific skills are you focusing on to thrive in this AI era? Let me know in the comments section below. And if you found this video helpful and informative, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And of course, subscribe for more IT career insights, interview tips, and practical tutorials. We're here to help you succeed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the